I can't because it will interrupt what is going on. Yes, of course. It will interrupt the mission. We assume it will interrupt, allow us to continue. You confirm your meeting elsewhere, meet people elsewhere, but also saying 1 minute. But at the moment it interrupts. It interrupts Mheshimiwa Raila. It interrupts. It interrupts because we know what when you start talking, things will start unfolding.
Will not address outside.
After clearing the work we are doing, we can allow you to come.
No.
A day to come.
But we are destroying.
We are not destroying. We are not destroying. We are doing the exact thing what was required to be done. Bringing the land back to the original place.
It is not the work of police, but it is not the work of the police. It's a private property. The people, the demolition are doing it to private property. It's not the government's work. It's not government's work. See a cousin in a scary now.
Joseph, I think there is a middle ground here.
We drive through these are senior leaders.
I cannot.
Hata chakula mnakataza.
I cannot. Mheshimiwa knew what happened when he came last Sunday.
What happened?
He knows himself, he can tell you.
What happened?
I came in and you refused me to talk to people?
You talk yourself, people chased you away.
How?
They told you, leave us alone, we are peaceful, we don't require you at this hour. That's exactly what happened. Now if we come in big delegation like this, we can't, everything will go wrong there. And people are very, very peaceful.
Even us,
they want just assistance to be guided to remove their things.
Because if we are also peaceful people, what we are saying is this, there's a middle ground, just 1 minute.
The way you have formed yourselves up,
1 minute only.
there is an indicator, something will not be good.
1 minute only, I want to explain.
Just listen to Prime Minister.
Our station. We are opposition leaders. We are the government. The government is on one side, we are on this other side. You need to respect the opposition. We are not destructive people.
It is respected, Mheshimiwa. It's
only
that it's not timely.
Are our supporters.
It's not timely.
We want to just go and talk to them.
What is the best time to come?
What's the best time to come?
What is the best time to come, Joseph?
Until I conclude the operation.
When are you concluding
The timeline, my timeline is yet to go.
When do you anticipate you will conclude there? Because we will come back.
Hopefully
Now,
next
Afande, let me ask you. I'm the area member of parliament. This is a governor Machakos.
No problem.
This
You came yourself as an area of
but you
the
see,
parliament. But you see the kind of the reaction that was there against you.
Just let him answer one question.
Yeah.
When do we anticipate that this process will go?
Probably leave it until next week.
Next week?
Yes.
No, but we are allowed as civilians to go and see. We are not interfering with
The
the
time
work
to see
going
is
on.
not yet. The operation is still
we
going
are
on.
not
A lot of
interfering.
activities are going on there.
We are not interfering with whatever they are doing. But we are entitled
It's
to
a
go
direct
and see.
interference because who are you going to
Because
see?
we want
You are
to-
seeing the person who is removing his own belongings,
want
telling him to stop, come and hear what he wants to say.
No, that's not what we are using.
That's
We
exactly
want
what
to
you're going
talk to the country about what is going on here. And we are not allowed to stop us. Because it is not a government operation.
This is not a context between the government. It's not a context between the government and the opposition. This is just a simple thing. If I refused him as the area MP and you as the council and now as you as the governor, it just seems same status.
Joseph, it's fine. I think what we can do.
Thank you.
Joseph, just 1 minute. Don't go away. Don't run away from us.
You have
We are
concluded.
just talking.
Listen, this one, Joseph, let me tell you. This might define your own future and the future of your
No
children.
problem to that. That comes
Just
in,
because the
I'm an
president
employee.
alikuja akapeana amri, that's what you're following blindly.
Nani amefanya amri?
Of course, he gave orders here.
Who?
Ni president
I was
mwenyewe.
not in the meeting.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. But you're following what was
Asante.
communicated.
Thank you.
What we do, leaders, because these guys, they just want to cause an unnecessary confrontation.
Yeah.
we will tell them that we respect whatever decision they have made, but we need to speak to the country from here. There's no need for them to get confrontational at all, because we are not confrontational.
Tell you.
Yeah. So you move inside.
Okay.
We're going back. I'm telling you, we're going back. There's no need for you to get confrontation. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, boss. Wapi watu wako watulie tu, si hatuna maneno.
Just chukua tu.
Makao wezi. Makao. Tulieni boss. Tulia tu. Joseph. Tulia tu.
Hii tutajenga, mpenda msipende. Tutawarushia.
Na unajua kazi itaisha.
Pata nyinyi. Kenya.
Mheshimiwa Makao, just go. Okay. But I need this vehicle to